Welcome to Leeds, the most vibrant city in the UK. And for international students on their way to becoming leaders of the future, IQ Leeds Student Accommodation is your place to be. This modern house offers en-suites, two-bed apartments, and studios. Wake up to a bright sun across the bedroom window. Attend to your assignments at the study desk and start a succulent garden on the decorative shelves. The room also offers ample space for easy storage. High-speed free Wi-Fi helps you stream your favorite shows over a home-cooked meal from the kitchen. The daily chores are no hassle with on-site laundry, so you can save energy for the on-site gym. Students from the Leeds College of Art and the University have popularized this building. The property is located conveniently in close proximity to the city center, grocery shops, and utility stores surrounding the area. Visit the West Park Lounge and Signature Bar and Restaurant for an energizing evening with your new mates. Tropical World Zoo will surprise you with its fantastic beats, while the museums and galleries at Kirkstall Abbey are larger than life. The curious life of IQ Leeds awaits your arrival. Book a stay and make a grand entrance with amberstudent.com.